Hi, so this is video 2 of my gifts from Tokyo, Japan, from my little birdie, my son Joshua. So if you haven't seen the other video, I have it in the description and also a link at the end for you guys. But let me just tell you, when he was going through his luggage and he's pulling out different bags, and I about fell over when this bag came out. It came out in this, and it has a cute little tag here that was clipped over, so I can't wait to try and save that. But when this came in the bag, and then he's like, look, here, birdie, and he pulls this bag out that's like stuffed, plump, little full goodness. Oh my gosh, I think I was like squealed with excitement, like, oh my gosh, because I know he said he was going to get me like some goodies, and I hadn't heard from him. I figured, you know, he didn't have time and stuff, and I didn't want to bother him, and lo and behold, he was the whole time thinking of me getting little goodies. So I want to share with you that the only thing I've opened so far was my Traveler's Train Station notebook. And so let me show that to you. Oh my gosh, I just thought it's the Tokyo Station. I just thought how unbelievably thoughtful to get such a nice gift that he did for me. I really love the little drawstring bag also. Some washi tape rolling out. I don't have the dark brown. I don't think, I only have the passport size in dark brown. So I'll show you. It came with the insert inside. Is that so lovely? It's a blank. It's so good. I thought I knew what I was going to use for my 2025 cover, for my standard. Now I'm not sure, because since it's Love and Trip and this is like a little trip, this might be so perfect and wonderful. So we'll see. And my everyday carry for my handbag is the passport in dark, is in the brown. So maybe, don't those seem to go together? Those might be my perfect little combo, but we'll see. I'll show you what I had planned, and we'll see what I'm doing. I'm not finished with my setup yet. All right, so that on its own is just above and beyond just the most thoughtful gift. And he was there with his friends. I'm going to just try and take everything out, and then I'll go through it with you guys. He was there with his friends, and he's like, what is all this for? And he's like, my mom. And they're like, your mom wants this stuff? And he's like, oh yeah, she loves this stuff. She's going to love it all. There's a little sticker here on the back. But isn't this little bag so cute? I love its size. It's so adorable. It feels so special. So when he was like, Birdie, this is for you, and he handed it to me, I just, oh my gosh, I just couldn't believe it, really. It just was just the thought that he took his time from his trip with his buddies and shopped in the Traveler's Factory store for me, just like, oh, touched my heart so much. Like, what a little lovely young man he is. And look how cute. A Kaveco. Sorry. I try to tell you guys, don't listen to me. I don't know. I have this color, though, already. It's one of my favorites. I have it in a pencil also. So what I think I'm going to do is gift mine that I already have. I would gift the new one, but I feel like this is the one from Joshua. So I would know if I didn't gift the right one. That's just so thoughtful and special. It has the little directions in Japanese, but then look, they included it in English along with the little sticker. So I think I will put mine. Well, I guess I could do the new one. I don't know. I think I'll put mine in there with these and gift that. I'll figure that out at some point. Okay, so then he got me the little charm, which is going to be so perfect on the cover. So here at the end, I will connect that on while I chat with you guys. And some washi tape. And I think, hi Thomas. I say that in such a way because boy, this guy has been interesting. Okay, so I'll swatch those in my upcoming little setup video for you guys if you want to see those. And then he got these also at the little Traveler's Factory store. And they're like little travel tags. They're not from Traveler's Company, but they had them at the store just like they had these at the store. They're like a nice thick cardboard. Oh no, that'll be so cute inside the planner. And also this one, very cute. All right. And then this is just the Traveler's Factory one, the black that says Traveler's Factory. And then this one says Tokyo Metro. And then this one says Japan Guide Station Edition. So cute. I have this one, so I'm lucky to have those. And then he got me this, which he's like, oh, I like that. Maybe I need to get a little notebook and do something. So I don't know. I think a little passport set up with these and this and something for him would be really cute. All right, we'll see. And then these little postcards. They're like a nice thick cardstock also. Okay. Aren't those cute? Make sure, I wanted to do these in the daylight for you guys, but I have just been running out of time. I have my cousin and her girls coming down for Thanksgiving, and I tried to find out if they're coming down for Thanksgiving, and then it was like, oh, my niece's work schedule and school and all this stuff, like it just wasn't going to work out. A little passport. Is that so cute? And so I decided to start this project in my garden, ripping out this whole area around my fountain. If you've seen any of my videos of art journaling in my garden, humongous project. There and this other path I pulled apart and all this stuff. And then literally that night I came in and saw a message for them and they're like, oh, we're coming out for Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh. Because when the weather's nice and the fire pit and the little warmers and stuff, it's so nice to go in the garden. Even in the 60s, it's like really nice. So I have a lot of work to do. Then he got me a little watercolor paper passport. Is that so cute? Because he knows I love to watercolor. And then a pen board. And I already have this one, but I really love pen boards and I love to use them in my watercolor kits also. I've shared how I like to use those in my watercolor kits, so I can always use them. A really nice postcard. Traveler's Factory one. It just says Japan Travel Guide. So I didn't get to do, my point, I didn't get to do this video for you guys in the day. Because now I'm on a rush against the clock, plus prepping and preparing for Thanksgiving and all the little store running around. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I got to hit like 3 or 4 or so different spots for different items I need to get for cooking, baking. All right, are these so nice? Train trip stickers. I love it. And then another set of these. I had these and I just mentioned in a past video how I really used mine up quick this year. And I don't typically do that. So nice. So you can always use more of those. And then a Tokyo Station insert. I mean, I just can't even believe, just above and beyond blank, how thoughtful and how generous all of this is and how he thought of me. Just really impressive. There it is. Since there's already a train on the cover, this one would look really good inside, especially since the charm has that little place on it. That would be so cute. Okay, and then a diary, the little monthly, which I have one, and I'll share how I'm using that in my upcoming video, like I shared for the Traveler's Notebook. But these are all of my little wonderful gifts. So this is my second video. And like I said, I will post a link of the first video here for you guys, and also a little clickable at the end where you could just click on it and go to that video if you haven't seen it. And I'm going to put this on here. But I will tell you, I also am going to do right around Thanksgiving and post a quick little video of my sterling ink notebooks. And I think I decided not to just let go of my passport, to let go of my pocket size also. And as lovely as they are, and they really, really are, I just took a moment and really went back through my actual planners, not just journals, like Midori's my journal, Moleskin's my journals, whether that's art journaling or however you want to say, or regular just writing. But for a planner, I was like, what am I most consistent with? And when I went back and looked at that, it is always Traveler's Company or Hobonichi. And if I stop one, if I abandon one, it's literally because I just went to the other. Like I switched. And if I switch back, it's because I'm leaving Hobonichi to come back to Traveler's Company. So those are my main two that when I stick with that throughout the year, it really pans out nicely for me. So as much as I wanted to do, I thought I was going to be able to do the sterling ink pocket or passport. It's definitely not going to work out to put all the things that I'm going to need to in it. And I can see myself enjoying it in the beginning, but wanting to switch at some point, and I just don't want to transfer that information or move over. Plus I have like all my lovely Traveler's Company covers and different items that already go along with my system. So I just want to stick with that. And now I have even more covers. What do you guys use your extra covers for? Do you just hang on to them and, oh, it looks so good. Do you hang on to them and, I like this one for in here, and just switch them out? Do they have different purposes? Not all of mine have a purpose. Sometimes I like to just switch it out, and others do have a purpose. I'm going to put this in here for now. I don't know if I'm going to switch. I was thinking my Blackwing was going to be my cover, and I'll have to show you why that is. But for now, let's put that one in here. I feel like I need to tighten that up just a pinch. Okay. And if there's something you liked or you liked the video, I would really love and appreciate if you guys click that little like button. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you go ahead and subscribe. I post like about 3 videos a week, at least 3, and all of that good stuff. Look how cute. Yes? No? I think yes. I'd like to have a charm on mine, but it has so much going on its own that it doesn't need a charm, but it looks so nice. Okay, so I do little planners and art journaling and watercoloring, all the little things that I share with you guys. And let me know what you guys think. Was that not so super special of Joshua? So again, look around Thanksgiving time is when I will post the little giveaway video. And I'm just really trying to figure out how to have you guys reach out to me. If you are in my A Peach Life plan a group on Facebook, then that's perfect. And we can message on Messenger and I can ship that out. But if you're not on social, we'll have to figure that out. So watch for that little video and watch for some little garden stuff. I'll post some photos over in the little photo area on my YouTube for you guys. So thank you. I so love and appreciate having you guys here and sharing with you all the little goodness. And it really isn't about all of these items. We all know that these are all not necessary, but super fun and wonderful to have. But again, not necessary. The enjoyment is there with just the writing and journaling and planning and everything else in them. These are just above and beyond added bonuses and thoughtful of him. And I really made sure to let him know that, like, this is absolutely not, it's absolutely above and beyond appreciated, but not necessary. And just this cover would have blown my mind to get that. A couple little goodies and I would have just been like, oh, over the moon and thought how special that is. Even just like these little guys right here, I would have been like so excited to even just share this with you guys and how special they'll be in my notebook. So I don't want it to ever make it be that you have to have these things, because truly I am happy with like the simplest of stuff. And that is why so many times I do release my planners, or I will sell them off, because I feel like I don't need all of that. And I know other people love or collect or are looking for a specific one. And so I'd rather release that to them so that they could enjoy. But I also at the same time need to remember that it's okay to have different things, and it's okay to collect the things I like and enjoy them as well. So all that just to say thank you, and I appreciate you guys. And it's not about the stuff. It's just about the camaraderie and the enjoyment and all of that. So thank you.